Welcome to this very short session where we're going to walk you through how you're going to install Flutter on your machines and also how you're going to run your app on browser or an emulator. So I guess Mr. Krishan will be giving you the detailed walkthrough. So don't worry, you're in good hands. So anyway, I'm pretty excited for Saturday's session. Looking forward to seeing all of you. So I know obviously you've joined here because you're going to join the session on Saturday, but can I just get a thumbs up on who's going to be attending the session? Cool. Awesome. Nice. Semanam, one kid. Help me. Animek. Yameki. Awesome. Okay. DC Vodka. Okay, cool. I hope you're as excited as I am. So anyway, so just a slight teaser on what we're going to build on Saturday. What we're going to build is, I guess, what you could call is like a meme showcase where we're going to be pulling memes from an API. So I think some memes from the Reddit API because that's a little bit more user friendly. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull memes from the Reddit API and you're going to render them in the app itself. So as full blown images in either a grid or a column format. And now you can also share those memes with your friends. Suppose you've gotten a funny cat meme and maybe you have fellow cat lovers and you want to share that meme. You can click on the share button and share with friends. What we can do is we can also use the API to sort or to navigate or fetch different kinds of memes. Suppose you want dog memes, you want modern memes, you want anime memes. So we're gonna do that. So can I get a request on what kind of memes you guys are interested in, like anime or cats? Maybe in the comment section, so that I can get that ready. Cats, okay, yeah, I'm also a cat person. Cat memes, I just love them. I also like the new raccoon memes. So I'm a big fan of that anime. Okay, cool. What kind of anime specifically? Maybe you can also sort that. We can drill down the anime. Okay, Smurf cat memes. Okay, anime like SpongeBob. Yeah, Smurf cat. Okay, cool. Some really good suggestions. Okay, any more? Maybe you can have maybe around One Piece. Okay, one more. One more suggestion. Okay, we have cats, anime, Smurf cat, capybara. Okay. Ooh. Okay, that's kind of a niche meme. That's good. That's a good recommendation. Okay, one more. Just one more. Let's make it. Let's okay. Demon Slayer. Okay, cool. Okay. Let's do this. If you have any more suggestions, you can leave it over here. Then you can, because once we have learned how do we add endpoints to an API, you can also add your own custom meme APIs. Like for example, I also like what do you call those memes? Those kind of dog, those what do you call those Shiba Inu memes? Specifically the Shiba Inu breeds. Yeah, I kind of like that. So I'm going to add my own Shiba Inu endpoint to the API. Okay, cool. Anyway, so thank you so much for the suggestions and thank you for all who have joined this session. I will now hand it over to Krishan, who will be giving you the walkthrough. See you guys on Saturday. Bye bye.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure, then let's start. So let me just try to
Yes,
run
sir.
first the slideshow. Yeah, okay. Can you see the slideshow in slideshow mode or not?
Yeah, we can. No, we can only see the slides in the list view mode, Krishan, and the slideshow mode.
Okay. Okay, I'll be sharing my entire screen. Okay, now is it visible?
Yeah, it's perfect, Krishan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll start with the